Hello my lovelies, it's Addie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on Milani makeup. I've never tried Milani makeup ever in my life, so I'm super excited to get into this. I'm actually traveling right now, that's why I am shooting here in my hotel bathroom. It's actually pretty cute, right? I bought a bunch of Milani makeup from Ulta, so that is what I'm going to be testing out right now. I just got a few products from Milani, so I went ahead with my base, my brows, and my cheeks. So I'm going to be finishing off the rest of my look with the Milani products that I got. I have lipstick, highlighter, and the Gilded Desires eyeshadow and face palette. I'm going to start it off with the Milani Gilded Desires eye and face palette. Now this is such a beautiful palette. I love all the colors in it. There's 12 eyeshadows, so it's a mix of matte shades and metallic shades. And there's 2 highlighters. I have no idea what look I'm going to be creating, so I'm just going to wing it. So let's start it off with this color right here. It's a nice brown matte shade. So I'm just going to put it on my crease. Wow, look at that. There's actually a lot of kickback from this color. I don't know why, but I really love how it's blending out on my eye. Now I'm going to take this darker brown right here, and I'm going to concentrate it on my outer crease. Now I'm going to blend it all out with my blending brush. Just want it all to look smoother. Now I'm going to go into this color right here. It's like a maroon type of color. I don't know, this is not something I typically go for, but you know, I don't know, I feel a bit adventurous today. So I'm just putting this still on my crease. I really like adding a lot of colors to my crease. I really like how this color is looking, so we're just gonna continue with this maroon type of look. Actually, I'm thinking of doing maybe a cranberry type of look. I don't know, I'm just, you know, making it up as I go. That looks pretty good. Now I don't know what to do next. Is it a risk to dip into this black color right here? Because I don't normally do black. I don't know. I guess I don't think I'm brave enough today. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's a metallic cranberry looking shade. I don't know, I would never ever pick this normally, but I don't know, I feel like it would look good with this look. So this is it on my finger. I'm just gonna use my finger because I feel like this would be the most effective. That looks really good. It's so cute. I really love the metallic red on my eyes, so now I'm gonna be smoking out the rest of my eye with this dark brown color. So the same one I put on my crease earlier. Now let's blend this all out. There's actually a lot of fallout right under my eye, so I'm gonna clean that up. You know what? I'm gonna try out this black just, you know, on the edge of my eye because, I don't know, I've never done that and I feel like it won't be that bad. Or it could ruin the whole look. It actually made it look a lot better. To do this to the other side. The thing with black is you just really have to blend it out really well so that it just works seamlessly with the look. I don't know what I'm doing. But I don't know, this is pretty fun. Picking colors I'd never pick in my life. I'm going to be taking this metallic shade right here. It's a rose gold with pink flecks. So I'm just going to do it, put it right there. So I think this will really open up my eyes. So I'm just cleaning up under. There's actually a lot of fallout with this palette. If you guys can see, there's a lot of glitter down here from the gold. That is a lot. Now I'm going to add more of the red and more of this metallic red to the center. that fallout is legit. I'm just gonna put this at the center of my lid and just blend it into that metallic gold. Now I'm gonna be taking this maroon shade to finish off the look. So I'm gonna add this to the edge of my eye, just right here. It really deepened the outer edges and I like it. Wow, I've never done a look like this. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown shade right under my eyes. Smooth it out. Now I'm gonna take this really white highlight shade for my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take this rose gold highlight to my brow bone. This is my completed eye look. I actually really love how it turned out. I actually went for colors that I don't normally go for, and I know it was a risk, but I think it looks pretty good. So I created this sultry cranberry type of eye look, and I think it looks great. This palette, I actually really liked it. I love the colors, I love the pigmentation. It was actually really smooth when I put it on my lid. Even the highlighter shades, these were really great. I actually really love this one right here, the rose gold highlight. I used it right here on my brows and it looked so good. The only problem I have with this palette is the fallout. Okay, I know fallout is normal with palettes, but this one was really weird. When I first tapped into it, there was so much kickback, and when I put it on my eyelids, it just fell right here. So if you guys look closely, there are weird eyeshadow marks left over here. So I don't know. That's something I can live with, but I don't know if that's something you guys want to deal with. But yeah, this does have fallout, so I think I should have done my eye look before I went in with my base. Now it's time to highlight the rest of my face. I'm going to be using the Milani Luminous Light Hypnotic Lights highlighter in number 2. This is how it looks like. I actually really like the design on this pan. It looks really cute and geometric. I actually heard so many great things, and I think it was Allure awarded this as the best highlighter of I think 2017 or 2018, but it was awarded as a really good highlighter, so I just wanted to try it. This is a buildable highlight. It's not a super blinding highlight. If you just want an inner glow type of highlight, this is what you go for. If you want a more natural, I didn't highlight type of look, but if you build it up, it actually becomes a really blinding one. Now the shade of this is actually more of a pinkish, purplish type of vibe. It's not like the highlighter in the palette that has more of a rose gold type of look, which I think goes better with my skin type. I actually like the shade of this highlighter better for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna add that to my face. There we go. So I'm just layering highlight. I just think this is a more warm tone type of highlight as compared to the other one that's more icy pink. For the lips, I'm gonna be trying out this Milani Matte Darling in 74. I really like this lipstick. I think the shade is so beautiful. I think it can even be an everyday shade. I'm super into pink, so I think that's why this is such a good lipstick for me. It feels really good on my lips, very light and non-drying, but it emphasizes a bit of the texture on my lips, so I don't know what I feel about that. Maybe I should have exfoliated my lips before I put this on. I don't know. Also, the shade of the lipstick does not go with the eyeshadow look I created, but I still like the shade, but I wouldn't wear these together. This is the finished look I created with Milani products. I actually really love the experience. I like the eyeshadow, I love the highlighter, I also like the lipstick. I would definitely buy Milani products again, but at the same time, I would be careful with the eyeshadow and the fallout, and the highlighter, I'd only use it for specific looks because it's not a natural shade, it's more of a pinky shade, so it's not for my skin tone. But if you were going for more of a unicorn type of look and you have different skin tone than mine, then I think the highlighter would look really good on you. Now the lipstick, I really love the shade. I think I'll be using the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette a lot. Overall, I have a really good first impressions on Milani makeup. It's my first time trying it and I really liked it. I like the shadows, I like the highlight, I like the lipstick. I like this entire look, but not together, if that makes sense. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.